My score prediction for today's game, Mamelodi Sundowns and Siwelele, it's gonna be a 2-0 win for Sundowns. They're gonna win this game. I think it's not an easy game for them. It's not easy. There's no easy game at this point in the PSL. But I think they see the danger that Elite is slipping away from them. So they would want to ensure that they secure every point that they can get. This 3 point is very crucial for them to win. And Sundowns, it's a big team, of it, quality and everything. They understand the mission. So they're gonna stay true to the cause. Just that at current moment they are failing to score goals, and that's understandable. They were lucky to score 3 goals and not long ago before the Kaizer Chiefs game. They were lucky. So yeah, I think 2-0 against Siwelele, or maybe 1-0. That might happen, but I will stick on the 2.